History was made in space travel, as Blue Origin sent the first person with a physical disability to the edge of space. Michaela Benthaus, a 33-year-old German engineer, flew aboard the new Shepard rocket alongside 5 other passengers on a suborbital mission launched from Texas. During the journey, she described the experience as the happiest moment of her life, saying she couldn't stop smiling from liftoff to landing. Michaela lost the ability to walk after a mountain biking accident years ago, but that never stopped her passion for space and engineering. Before this mission, she had already experienced zero-gravity flights and participated in simulated space missions, proving that physical limitations do not define human ambition. Blue Origin made specific accessibility modifications to the capsule, including a transfer board, allowing her to safely and comfortably take part in the mission. The new Shepard flight lasted around 10 minutes, reaching an altitude of 105 kilometers and crossing the Kármán line, widely recognized as the boundary of space. During several minutes of weightlessness, Michaela floated freely inside the capsule, marking a historic moment not only for space tourism, but for inclusivity in aerospace exploration. This mission sends a powerful message. Space is becoming accessible to more people than ever before. As private spaceflight advances, moments like this redefine who gets to explore the universe. Michaela Benthaus's journey is not just a technological milestone, it's a human one, showing that the future of space belongs to everyone.